Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix a Elden Ring controller or gamepad is not working and how you can fix this up when you're having this trouble, and we're gonna talk about the fixes. So let's dive into the solution. And if you are for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. So the first one is you just have to follow these instructions. That the first step, you have to configure your controller. To do this, you just have to go over here on the Steam, go over here at the top, click on Steam. Now from here you just have to go to settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down and navigate to controller. From here you have to click on general controller setting. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to select which one, which controller you're using. For example, if you're using PlayStation, you have to click over here, so you'll be getting an option over here. And if it is on Xbox, you have to click over here in the same. If it is generic, and we have to give the same. And once it is done, you just have to launch the game and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. Okay, once it is done, you just have to check this one. Okay, and even after trying this, if it's not working, then we just have to talk about the next solution. So next solution is all about enable or disable Steam input. To do this, you just have to go over here. Now over here in the Steam, you just have to go to the library. Right now, as you can see, the game is not installed on my Steam, but for those who have downloaded the game, they will be having the game here. So I'll be showing what you have to do with an example among these games. So don't get confused, because we have uploaded very recent video and many of the users have felt a doubt that what I am doing with the crab game. Because what I'm doing with the crab game is there is nothing much, but I'm showing the steps which you have to follow when you're having the game. Same for Elden Ring. So here I'll be selecting the one of the random game. So I'll be selecting the respective game here. So this you have to do the same for Elden Ring when you're downloaded the Elden Ring here. So you just have to click on this one and go to properties. Now from here you just have to click on controller. Now there is an option called, as you can see, you'll be having an option like this. Okay, now you just have to click on use default settings. You just have to select this one. So there are three options: disable Steam input, use default setting, enable Steam input. So you have to select either to enable Steam input. Okay, once it is done, you just have to launch the game, and if it's not working, then you just have to change this to, once again you have to change this to disable Steam input, and now you have to open the game, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. Okay, now even after trying the second step, if it's not working, then we have to talk about the third step. So third step is all about you have to launch the game in big picture mode. So we have a big picture mode over here at the top, so you have to click over here at the top. Okay, so now you'll be getting an option like this. Okay, when you launch the game, you'll be getting an option. So you just have to go to the library. Now from here you have to select the game. Okay, which one game? For example, I'm not having the Elden Ring here, don't get confused. So you have to select the respective game. So imagine that I'm showing with you this an example. So you have to select the Elden Ring. So don't get confused when I'm trying to do with the crab game. I'm showing you how to do this. So from here, you just have to go over here on manage game option. There is an option called controller option. So you have to set, or you have to change this to either to force it on, and you have to go OK, and you have to check. And if it's not working, then you just have to change this to, once again, to force it off, and you have to go for OK, and you have to check. Right, so this is what you have to try out when you're trying to do this up, and you have to exit the big picture. Now you have to go back once again, and even after trying this, if it's not working, then we have to talk about the next solution. So next solution is you have to disconnect and reconnect the controller, and you have to see whether that's gonna help you guys out. And moreover, we have one more, that is as a fifth one, you just have to connect controller before starting